Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touch in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable touch sensitivity. Open settings. Search touch sensitivity. And if you want to enable touch sensitivity, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, touch sensitivity will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, remove screen protector. Again, open setting, search screen protect screen protector. Here you will see turn off screen share protection. Now click on turn off screen share protection. And if you want to remove screen protector, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, remove screen protector from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings. Go back. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix screen not responding to touch in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.